Hello there, my two L's. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. Y'all, how y'all been? I know that I've been gone for quite some time. I think I've been gone for about a month or so, something like that. I don't know. I can't even remember because I've had so much take place within the last month up until current times. So that's a whole nother video. It ain't got nothing to do with hair, but it does have a lot to do with peace of mind. But that's a totally different thing. Anyway, I wanted to come in today with this video just to give you guys an update. Your girl is officially 4 months into her hair journey. Well, I'm talking like I'm not here. I'm 4 months into my hair journey. I made it through month 2, which is usually the hardest for me because I never make it past month 2, but I have managed to make it all the way up to month 4. I started these locks that you see today in May. So May, June, July, August, September. I'm 4 months in, and later this month it will make 5 months for me. Y'all, I have seen a lot of hair growth. No budding or any, well, very little budding in the very back, but for the most part my hair is still really soft. I still don't have that firmness yet. Now in the back for some of mine it's a little bit of firmness, but no, these are still baby locks. They are still very much so immature, so there's still many twists in my mind, so no locking yet. But I do want to say that a lot of the hair growth that you guys see today is contributed to the Hello Lovely Hair Growth Gummies. Y'all, I have done... Ooh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have done about 2 videos regarding these hair gummies. Y'all, this stuff is the truth. In my personal opinion, I have experienced a lot of hair growth using these particular hair growth gummies. They're delicious. They work, okay? They help grow your nails. They also help grow your hair. It's not one or the other. You get both benefits. So I really like it. I did not experience any breakouts like I would had I just taken biotin by itself. This stuff is good, you guys. And the price of these gummies are under 15 bucks. They may even be under 13 bucks. I can't remember per se. But y'all, get you a bottle of the Hello Lovely gummies. This stuff is the truth. This stuff is the truth. So I don't have a before and after, but you can check out my previous videos. Y'all, look. Like, my hair has grown a lot. Take my favorite headband off. So this headband has shaped my hair right now, so you really can't see too much, but we are almost coming to over my ears. Okay, boom. So look at there. So before I was above my ears, and now we're right over the tip of my ears. So a lot of progress. And my personal opinion, I'm still at that weird stage, so headbands really works for me right now. If you're interested in where I get these headbands from, let me know and I'll share that with you guys in another video. But anyway, you guys, that's all that I have. I just wanted to drop in and let you guys know that I'm still rocking these locks. I'm approaching my 5th month mark very soon, late October. I am still taking the Hello Lovely Hair Growth Gummies because they work. And that's about it. So I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.